And Chris, we're actually going to start with you. Let's fast forward 2 to 3 years from now. What's going to be coming out of the Bright Labs unit magic box 2 to 3 years from now? What are you all going to be focusing your attention on? What's it going to look like?
I start to envision just the greater adoption of 5G, right? And then really starting to get those, I think someone else had mentioned it before, into those programs of record where it's less of, that we're supporting specific experimentation or prototype efforts, and it's more that it's being integrated into some of the other systems that Booz Allen is involved in building, whether that be in the tactical environment or elsewhere. So I would really envision that it's more integrated into the mainstream into some of those systems, especially where it makes sense for 5G. And then just other things like the greater adoption of O-RAN. We're starting to see more of those features that have been promised with 5G, such as network slicing, network resource allocation, as well as starting to look at how we can implement new technologies like dynamic resource or dynamic spectrum allocation and dynamic spectrum sharing to help realize some of the spectrum moonshot activities that have been announced by the government as well. So I would really envision that it's just the continued maturation of the technology and continued adoption.